I want to congratulate Kyler Roman, this year's recipient of the Outstanding Prospective Educator Award. Kyler is a secondary education social studies major. A talented guitarist, he started Bellarmine as a music major. Fortunately for his future students, he decided to change his major to education. I met Kyler in the fall of 2017 when he was a student in EDUC 200. Kyler's extremely personable, and I was impressed by his calm, level-headed demeanor and maturity. As the semester progressed, I learned that he was married, had a full-time night job at a local hospital, and was committed to his church and the work he was involved in there. As I came to know Kyler a little better, I realized that he was not just passionate about children, but passionate about people, getting to know them, working with them, and helping them. All of these traits contribute to Kyler's potential to be an outstanding teacher. However, his journey at Bellarmine has not been without challenges. His responsibilities outside of school have required him to deviate from a traditional progression through the program. However, despite these challenges, he has persevered and distinguished himself as an outstanding prospective educator. Again, congratulations to you, Kyler Roman, for your selection as this year's recipient of the Outstanding Prospective Educator Award.